Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Well, it's time. It's time for the first ride of my Yamaha R6. I am so excited to swing a leg over this bad boy and take it for a ride. So I hope you enjoy the video, and let's do it. Ignition on, clutch in, side stand up, and she starts first time. First gear. Alrighty. So the first thing I'm noticing is, obviously, being it's a sport bike, it has a very aggressive forward leaning riding position. All of my upper body weight is on my forearms. Oof. She wants to go, she wants to go, she wants to go. Now I'm on brand new tires, absolutely brand spanking new, so I need to scrub these tires in, get some wear into them and get them warmed up. So I'm going to be weaving. People behind me think I'm going to be drunk. Alright, so for this first ride, I'm going to be taking it very easy. The tires are brand new. I really need to scrub them in, get some heat into them, get some wear onto them so they're not slippery and cold. Also, being brand new to the bike, I need to get used to the balance of it, the feel of it, the brakes, acceleration, clutch, everything is brand new to me. So an easy first ride. We'll do some surface streets, a little bit of very easy through the canyon, and a little bit of freeway on the road home. So it's probably be a 15-20 minute ride at the most. She's idling nicely at 1600 RPMs. Clutch feels nice and smooth, brakes feel excellent. Lights about to change, here we go. So throughout this video, if you see a white Volvo in front of me, that's my son driving it. And I got a couple of GoPros mounted to the side of the Volvo, so you'll be able to see me in a side profile riding when I pull alongside his car. It's so quick, so much acceleration. Very easy to break the speed limit in this bike. In third gear at 4,500 RPMs. and lots of power. I don't think I'm even getting past 8,000 or 9,000 RPMs and this thing just wants to take off. The power really kicks in at around 9,000 RPMs. But I'm going to save that for the racetrack. So all I can say is I'm very glad I'm wearing earplugs, because this thing is loud. Alright, I'm going to jump on the freeway here and see how she does freeway speeds. So I'm in fourth gear at 9,000 RPMs and it just wants to go. This has the most amazing exhaust note. $10,000. So sitting in fifth gear, I'm at 7,000 RPMs. Seems about right. So not much wind protection, I've got all the wind on me. The windshield is doing a little bit of pushing it up to my helmet. Well, that's what sport bikes are all about. Woo! Was a big metal plate that I just swerved around. Wow, glad I didn't hit that. So the exhaust exhaust is fantastic. We're not getting any of the pop, 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 pop. Downshifting and decelerating. Brakes are really tight, nice. So it's definitely not the most comfortable thing in the world to ride compared to my sport touring bikes, but it's a track bike. It is a purpose-built race-winning track bike. Comfort is not what it is meant to give you. Enormous acceleration, good high top speed, this thing is wicked. Oh my word, that was fun. For a first ride, loved it. What a great bike. What a great bike. I am just thrilled with this motorcycle. It handles beautifully. You know, I'm just really excited to practice on this thing and learn to ride it really, really well. So I can't wait to take it into the canyons and see what she does in the corners. That's going to be a fun video. First time in the canyons, so I have to get on and film that pretty quickly. Anyway, thanks again everybody for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Please ride safely, come home alive.